Good day everyone, I am Yomari Jesus Riza from DCPET 2-3 and this is my reflection video about the discussion of Professor Evangelista. So the topic revolves around the transformative impact of technology on society and the workforce, with a specific focus on the Philippines' readiness to embrace these changes. It highlights how smart system, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things are driving advancement that could outpace human numbers and capabilities. So this development demands a paradigm shift in education, workforce, and development on societal progress. So the discussion emphasizes the needs for adaptation to a future where traditional roles evolve and emerging professions require new skills and innovative approaches. So the integration of smart system into everyday life, coupled with the exponential growth of connected device, reflects a world increasingly defined by its resilience on technology. Additionally, the significance of data as the new oil is explored, showcasing its role in driving insights, creating knowledge, and fostering innovation and specialization. It is called to a action for individuals and industries to stay off the curve by embracing changes and leveraging technology and responsibility. So, the future of computer engineers on the global stage is both promising and challenging. As as a technology advance, computer engineers will be a key players in designing and maintaining systems that drive innovation across industries. They will contribute to creating solutions for smart cities, autonomous systems, and sustainable technologies. The growing demand for expertise in fields such as AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and biosimulation will shape their roles as essential contributors to global progress. As the number of connected devices continues to rise, computer engineers will find themselves at the forefront of managing complex networks, ensuring the seamless communication between systems and addressing critical issues such as data privacy and security. They will also tackle challenges such as technological waste management, demonstrating their commitment to sustainability and responsible innovation. Computer engineers' influence will extend the ethical consideration, ensuring that technology serve humanity best interests while minimizing potential risks. Their roles will require not only technical expertise but also a deep understanding of societal im- implication of their work. To succeed, they must embrace lifelong learning, adaptability, and collaboration, staying at the forefront of rapidly changing technological landscape. So, I envision myself as an active contributor to technological advancements that shape our world. As a computer engineer, I aim to bridge the gap between emerging technologies and their practical application, ensuring the innovations benefits society at large. I see myself working in collaborative environment where creativity and technical expertise merge to develop solutions that enhance efficiency, security, and sustainability. To remain relevant, I plan to stay updated on the latest trends and continuously upgrade my skills. By doing so, I hope to contribute meaningfully to projects across industries such as healthcare, education, and environmental conservation. My ultimate goal is not only to excel professionally, but also to inspire others to embrace technology as tool for creating positive changes. I also see myself advocating for inclusivity in technology, ensuring that the benefit of innovation are accessible to all, regardless of geographical or socioeconomic barriers. So, one area I am particularly passionate about is cybersecurity. With the increasing reliance on digital system, safeguarding data and infrastructure has become a critical priority. I aspire to specialize in protecting sensitive information, preventing cyber threats, and ensuring that integrity of digital operation. The dynamic and high-stake nature of this field, along with its importance in maintaining societal and economic stability, makes it an appealing focus for my career. In addition, in addition to cybersecurity, I am intrigued by the transformative potential of AI and machine learning. These technologies hold immense promise for solving real problem worlds, such as improving healthcare, diagnostics, optimizing urban planning, and advancing educational technologies. Exploring their application in fields like environmental sustainability or disaster management further inspire me. By pursuing these fields, I hope to contribute to building a safer, smarter, and more efficient future. Moreover, I am drawn to the idea of becoming a lifelong learner and mentor, sharing knowledge and inspiring the next generation of engineers to think critically and innovate boldly. So, the future of jobs is a dynamic landscape shaped by the integration of technology into every aspect of life. My one key takeaway is the critical importance of adaptability. Traditional roles are evolving and new professions are emerging, requiring individuals to embrace continuous learning and reinvention. These shifts underscore the need for diverse skills set that combines technical expertise with creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. Another takeaway is the growing independence between humans and machines. While automations and AI will handle many tasks, human ingenuity will remain vital for managing, overseeing, and innovating this system. This highlights the importance of cultivating soft skills such as leadership, emotional intelligence, and collaborations alongside the technical proficiency. Additionally, the global nature of the workforce is evident. Professionals must look beyond national boundaries, adopting a global perspective to address shared challenges and opportunities. For future computer engineers like myself, this striving to become not only technically skilled but also globally minded and socially responsible. The need to balance technological advancement with ethical considerations is a recurring theme, reminding us that innovation must serve humanity for greater good. Lastly, the concept of digital transformation resonates strongly as industries evolve. Such roles as data scientists, cloud engineers, and AI professionals will dominate the job market. The cybersecurity emerged as a linchpin for protecting the digital infrastructure, highlighting the critical needs for skilled professionals who can anticipate and neutralize threats. These insights reinforce the importance of adaptability, lifelong learning, and proactive approach to personal and professional growth. So to end this is my conclusion. The discussion on the future of technology and jobs serve as a wake-up call to prepare for an era of rapid changes and boundless opportunities. As a future computer engineer, I am motivated to embrace innovation, pursue specialization, and contribute to building a connected, sustainable world. By continuously reinventing myself and staying attuned to global trends, I aim to navigate this dynamic landscape with resilience, purpose, and commitment to making meaningful impact. This reflection has solidified my belief that the future holds immense promise for those willing to embrace changes and take ownership of their growth. Whether it is through advancing cybersecurity, exploring AI, or addressing global challenges. I am determined to play my part in shaping a future where technology and humanity thrive together. And that is my reflection video. I hope you have learned something. A good day and thank you for listening.